Hello, I'm Robert Pry, and this is another Bertolini how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to install your aftermarket communion cup holder. Going to get the self-tapping screw that's provided, and then we're going to take the communion cup holder and you're going to want to line the screw up right across from the torsion bar. Start out slow, get the screw started. Then as it goes in, just hold it in place and you're done. And there you have your communion cup holder. Thank you for watching this video, and if you ever have any questions on the care or maintenance of your chairs, please contact Bertolini Customer Care Department at the toll-free number located underneath your seat cushion.